By the 1920s, baseball cards had a new home: candy stores, not cigarette packs. As tobacco faded, America's youth embraced a sweeter pastime. Kids flocked to corner shops, trading nickels for caramel, chocolate, and gum, each treat hiding a baseball card inside. Sets like American Caramel and W515 strip cards made collecting a playground ritual. Then in 1933, Goudey gum changed everything with bold, full-color cards featuring legends like Babe Ruth and Lou Gehrig. These cards became treasures, even as the Great Depression raged. By the late 1930s, Bowman and Play Ball sets pushed the hobby forward, just before World War II paused production. Remember, when looking at the original Goudey cards, note they have thicker cardstock and matte finishes. Follow us at Lotstream for more.